In this video I'm going to show you how to repost Instagram post. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram, hit on that house icon to open up your Instagram feed, and now let's say I wish to make a repost of that post, and there is no direct way to do this, so all I have to do to make a repost is to take a screenshot of that page. So I have to press on power button and volume up button at the same time and then hit on screenshot. Now I can crop them, then hit done and save it to photos. So now I can hit on plus sign, hit on post and select that photos, hit next, next again, and there I can continue creating that post as I normally do. I can write there a caption or tag someone or make other different actions, and when I'm done I'll just hit on share to share that post to my Instagram profile. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.